Hey y'all, it's Rita from CakeaRita. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful berry flower tower, perfect for like parties or like Valentine's Day. So first thing that you'll need is a floral foam cone, any size. You'll need a cake board, I believe that's 8 inches, a bunch of toothpicks. You'll need candy melts. These are from Michael's, which are my favorite. You'll need your roses, about 2 dozen of them. And strawberries. So first you're going to wash all your strawberries. You're gonna need about 40 to 50, but you want to rinse them off real good, get all the dirt off, make sure they're nice and clean and dry. And then I skipped a part, but you're going to take your chocolate and melt it down to this consistency, nice and smooth. This wasn't the right shade of pink that I needed for my order, so I used powdered color to get it the shade that I needed. Sometimes like gel color or liquid color will mess up the chocolate, so powder is the best way to go. So I just added that in and kept mixing until I got my desired shade of hot pink, like so. And then once I had my shade of pink that I needed, I took a strawberry, put a toothpick on the end of it, dipped it in, rolled it around, make sure all sides got coated, and then you're going to shake off the excess. And then we're going to use a cake foam and just stick it in there to dry, and then just keep repeating the process until all of your strawberries are covered. Again, I did around 40 or 50 of them, so this took probably about 30 minutes, just dipping the strawberries and getting them all in there. So you just want to keep going, dip all your strawberries, shake off the excess, and leave them to dry. And now that I have all of my berries finished, again I have about 40 to 50 of them. You could decorate them any way that you want to. I left mine plain and just did a simple drizzle, but you can roll them in sugar, sprinkles, whatever design matches your tower. So once the berries are done, then we're gonna cut our roses very close to the bulb. You don't want too much stem left in them, but I cut about 2 dozen of them. And then we're going to secure our base. So we're just using some hot glue. I'm going to hot glue the cone and also hot glue the board, and just stick them together and make sure it's super secure. Super secure. It won't move. And then you're going to take a toothpick and put the toothpick into our roses, and I'm going to just do one whole layer around the bottom just full of roses. So again, just taking a toothpick, sticking it into the stem of the roses, and just going all the way around the base to cover up the board with just roses on that first layer. And now that we have that first layer, then we're going to go ahead and start adding in our strawberries. So really, this is where your creativity will shine. You're just going to use your eyes as a guide, you know, whatever looks best to you. You see any holes, see what would fit best, more a flower or strawberry. Again, it's all up to you and your creativity. So sometimes I'll mix in between sticking the toothpick into the flower or the strawberry itself, but then sometimes it is easier to actually get the toothpick inside of the floral foam and then just putting the item on top of that. And as we go up in the tower, you'll notice that like I'm angling my items up. So I'm angling the strawberries up, the toothpicks up, the flowers up, so we can go cohesive with the cone. And we're just going to continue to do this process all the way around until our cone is completely filled. And the good thing about using a toothpick is if something doesn't look right in one spot, super easy to take out, put it back in, fix it, put something of a smaller size, bigger size, to make sure that everything fits. So yeah, so you see I'm pointing my toothpicks up at an angle. Yeah, the flower's pointing up as we're getting higher on the cone, and it's starting to fill up. Moving some things around. Just have fun with it, whatever looks best to you. And now that's finished, but you see we do have some exposed cone in there. So you're gonna take some leftover petals and just roll them up and cut little pieces and just stick them right in between those spaces where we see cone. Just like that. And just continue to do that all the way around. And then we're finished. And just like that, we have our berry flower tower. So I think it turned out great. I love the pink. You could do it in any single color that you like. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.